about that time to get some tires. This transition from 2017 to 2018 been some kind of rough, y'all. But I just got a tire, so steering wheel holding up straight, so no more wobbling. But so there's one problem down, and this is gonna be the next problem to fix. So I guess stay tuned, and if you know a little bit about it, drop some info in the comments, because I'll take whatever you got. But let me go ahead and head to the house, y'all. Alright, so update. The temperature gauge finally started back working after I guess 2 or 3 days. So that's working. But now I got the check engine light. So I guess tomorrow I'll try to go see what this what code this is. And it's probably something dealing with their sensor anyway. But at least the gauge is working now. So that's a start. So I'll be back at you. What up, y'all? So finally getting these Tahoe lights worked on. Took forever getting these things apart, man, but put them in the oven for around 225, and I think for maybe 15 minutes. And it took several times prying all the way around, heat it up again and all of that. So it's been taking a minute, but I'm getting it apart. All of this is gonna be painted black. The 3M is already laid on there, so I'm just gonna spray it like that, and then peel the backing off, put the halos in. And then have to do the other one, and then the fog lights that go with it. So, or the marker lights, whatever they are. But yeah, got a lot going on with this one, so it'll be a minute, but it's coming along. And if you know anybody looking, I still got these Camaro halos for sale for $450. Free shipping and all of that. So if anybody looking for some color shift Camaro halos, I got those going. It's really just this season for stuff being on sale, so. I got these Challenger halos for sale too, with the flash stick halos I already put in them. Black housing headlights. Comes with the regular remote that the flash sticks come with. But I got them for sale too, so if you know anybody with a Challenger, 2008 to 2014, looking for some halos, I got those on deck too. Brand new in the box, ready to ship. Same as the Camaros, $450. Free shipping and all of that, so if you know anybody looking for those, I got them. But yeah, so back to these. I still got this other headlight to take apart, which I'll probably do that later on. But yeah, so these are the signal lights. So I'm still waiting on the sequential LED strip to come in so I can do that. And then I got to figure out how to open it. So, that'll come. But like I said, I'm still waiting on the LED. So this is really my next thing, just opening that. But, that's what's going on for now. So I'll get back at y'all once everything gets back in for these.